Hi, I'm Donald. Today I received a DLP projector which had come with a faulty warning, that is temperature warning, and it was shutting down. Now on testing we found that the projector was shutting off after 10 to 15 minutes. So got on to work, we removed the screws at the back side and carefully removed the top panel. The flexible strip wire has to be carefully removed, and looking inside we had to check first the axial fans, axial and the centrifugal fan. That the centrifugal fan is the one which forces cooling onto the lamp, and the axial is the cooling fan for the entire unit. So we found that there was a slight friction in the centrifugal fan, possibly due to shifting of the mount or possibly due to heat. So removing that, and we need to test the fans externally, and for that what we used an external 12 volt DC connected to the supply of the fans, and that could actually confirm the working of the fans. Now be sure to check the polarity when you are connecting 12 volt line, that the positive goes to the positive, which is normally red. So on testing we found the fan was working slightly on a higher and a lower speed when we are pushing the mount. So we did a trial and error method in which the mount was loosened and positioned with the spacer, so that the fan was blowing very well. After that we removed the lamp to check the flow once again through the vent that was coming to the lamp, and that was confirmed. We tested the fans once again before we replaced the whole unit, and confirmed it. The lens also was cleaned before we mounted back the lamp. So that after testing we found that the fault had vanished because the cooling was good and the noise level had completely come down, and it was working perfectly. So this is a simple hack. If you are experiencing noise in the fan, you can try this out. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.